Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to fulfill Shopify orders. Firstly, from your Shopify admin panel, click Orders in the left-hand menu. Click on the order number you want to fulfill. If you manage inventory at multiple locations, click the three dots icon on the fulfillment card, then choose Change Location. Select your preferred fulfillment location, then click Save. Now, to create a shipping label or enter a tracking info. If you're using Shopify Shipping, click Create Shipping Label. If you're using other carriers, click Fulfill Items, then enter the trading number and shipping carrier. Now, tick the checkbox to send shipment details to your customer now. And once clicked, the order's status will update to fulfilled. Also, you can do automatic fulfillment, which is perfect for digital products and stores using a third-party fulfillment service. Go to Settings in your Shopify admin, then Checkout. Scroll to the Order Processing segment, then choose Automatically Fulfill the Orders line items after payment and optionally enable Notify Customers or Automatically Fulfill all orders. Now your orders will be fulfilled automatically once paid. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.